Welcome to RosterElf. I'm Louise Marshall, Head of Customer Training. Today, I'll show you how to assign staff to positions in RosterElf. How to bulk assign staff via the Positions tab. Click Positions in your dashboard. Select the position you want to update. Click Staff working in this position. Choose the staff you'd like to assign, or click Select All. Click Update, then Save to confirm. How to assign staff individually via the Staff tab. Click Staff and select an employee. Click Positions can work. In the pop-up, select the positions you want to assign. Click Update, then save on the staff card. That's it. You can now easily manage staff assignments. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Happy rostering!